AM to the PM. You know you like it, don't breathe.
Hi guys, it's Molly-Mae and I've been working with Tatti Lashes to bring you the perfect day to night lash set. So here it is, the AM to PM set by me, Molly-Mae.
Yours, right now, love me in the morning all the way to the
So here we have the Molly-Mae Everyday Lash. I don't like to look like I'm wearing too much makeup in the daytime, so this lash is perfect for me. It's nice and winged on the corners and it's perfect for that natural everyday look. So now we've glammed up the look by adding a red lip and a darker eye, and I've applied one of the Molly-Mae After Hours lashes and I'm going to apply the next one now. So now I'm going to hold up the evening lash against my natural lashes to see if I need to cut any of the length off. My natural eye shape is quite small, so sometimes I like to trim a bit of the lash off to make it a bit nicer. So now I've applied a good layer of lash glue to the band of the lash. I'm going to let it go tacky for 30 seconds and I'm going to press it against my natural lashes. So as you can see, the lashes are super easy to apply because of the flexible band. I'm not that amazing at applying lashes and it literally took me no time at all. So this is a lash that will suit absolutely any eye shape. I don't like lashes that are too heavy on my eyes, but I have quite small eyes and I feel like my PM lash is the perfect amount of glam for a night out. So my everyday and after hours lashes are available to buy separately, but you can also get them in my exclusive AM to PM gift set. Shop my collection now at tattilashes.com.